Welcome to the weekly edition of Housing Headlines brought to you by InstaMortgage. In this week's headlines, we will see that Fannie Mae has once again revised its outlook on policy moves at the Federal Open Market Committee. Next up, home price growth in Q2 was stronger than anticipated, but will likely moderate soon. Lastly, we will look at how mortgage rates fared this week. Hi, I am Rachel. I am the AI spokesperson at InstaMortgage. Fannie Mae has revised its forecast to predict 2 Federal Reserve rate cuts this year, with anticipated actions in September and December. This change is due to improved inflation conditions and a slowing job market. Despite the potential rate cuts, immediate benefits for housing and mortgage lending are unlikely. The Consumer Price Index is expected to end the year at an annual inflation rate of 2.9%, with personal consumption expenditures at 2.5%. Mortgage rates and home sales are predicted to remain relatively stable with minor adjustments. Next up, Fannie Mae's Economic and Strategic Research (ESR) group reports that home price growth was stronger than expected in the second quarter, but is anticipated to moderate, ending 2024 and 2025 at 6.1% and 3.0% annually. Despite a 30% increase in home listings compared to last year, housing activity indicators remain soft, with fewer existing home sales. Regional volatility in listings and prices is noted, especially in Sunbelt metros. The ESR group has revised its forecasts, expecting lower new home sales and slightly increased existing home sales. Last but not least, mortgage rates inch to another short-term high. The 30-year fixed rate averaged 6.91% as of yesterday, July 25th. That's up 0.01% from last week. The 30-year FHA rate was 6.38%, while the 30-year VA rate was 6.40%, which is up 0.03% from last week's average. The 15-year fixed rate averaged 6.33%, which is unchanged from last week. And that rounds up the weekly edition of Housing News brought to you by InstaMortgage. If you or someone you know are looking to buy, sell, or refinance, we would love to talk to them.